time. The gentleman from California, Mr. Royce, for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The federal government spends roughly $300 billion on subsidizing home ownership every year here in the United States, and we are the only developed nation in the world that provides government-backed mortgage insurance, provides government-backed mortgage securities guarantees, and has government-sponsored enterprises. We have all three in this country. And this level of government involvement in the mortgage sector, paired with the negative real interest rates from the Fed between 2002 and 2006, facilitated the housing bubble here in the United States. While we've not heard much from the administration on the subject, I think they would be well served to listen to some of the warnings issued by FHFA Director DeMarco on some of the proposals that have surfaced. And a week or so ago, Mr. DeMarco shared these thoughts with us. Replacing the GSE's implicit guarantee with an explicit one, he says, does not resolve the problems and inherent conflicts in the model. He said it will produce its own problems, maybe make the situation worse. He says if the government continues to provide a guarantee for the vast majority of mortgages in this country, policymakers will yet again want a say as to the allocation and pricing of mortgage credit for particular groups and geographic areas. And that is problematic in terms of what this will lead to. The mortgage finance system of tomorrow must be based, the lion's share of it, for the most part of it, it should be based on private capital, on private investment. And considering the current state of the economy and the mortgage market, I think it's understood that it'll take time, quite some considerable time, to get to that point. But that should be our end goal, trying to evolve the market back into a position. And so this was not the first housing bubble to develop in our nation's history, and if we repeat the mistakes of the past, it certainly won't be the last. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
The gentleman from